Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Raffi Dayat. So today I'm gonna to speak about development of listening lessons. Of this era, listening is very important right now because when we study or make something when we're teaching or study something, listening is very important right now. And today I'm gonna to give or sharing development of listening. In this era, we can study with access and listen to the audio and make some dialogue through a QR code independently. If you can see this in book, I have QR code in this book. So if we can scan this in phone, it's gonna to access through you some sound. And in listening, we can be identify key information in dialogue between a tourist and a tour guide about like Parepare or Likupang or something. So you're gonna identification about a tourist to introduce about holiday or festival in your city. And then in listening, you can answer the question based on understanding of the audio content, like a listening comprehension. You just answer about question, example like a tourist was coming and asked in you just answer it what he asked to you, and as is horrible and problem in you when you cannot be use English or not. And actively participate in group discussion about tourist destination, especially like Parepare. So you brought the tourist income something in a festival in here, Parepare. You target what about in this place, what about this place, and I have a step to step for a study in listening. First one, you can be opening activity in 10 minutes. The teacher begins with some goldie question. The question like, have you ever visited Likupang or heard about it? So this is Kupang, you can read it in a book. Let's explore the amazing Likupang. So the first question is, have you ever visited Likupang or heard about it? Like have I go to Likupang before, or have you in there before? No. Okay, another question. What makes a tourist destination attractive to foreign visitors? So the teacher explains the learning objective and to the activities. The teacher distributes or displays a QR code that links to the audio dialogue. So the teacher's gonna give a student some QR code, and the student open his phone and scan what the sound on this QR code. And next we move to main activity and give 60 minutes. As say before, listening via QR code, but we have 20 minutes. The student use their phones to scan the QR code and listen to the audio dialogue. The teacher give instruction. Listen twice, listen it, and don't say anything. And this dialogue, we can have two tasks, a first session and two session. In second session, focus on the detailed listening. After that, we have listening comprehension task in 20 minutes. Student complete a worksheet consisting like a multiple choice, true or false, short answer. So in multiple choice, you can specific information such as location, price, activities. In true, false, facts in the dialogue. What's the facts in the dialogue? What he's saying? What is talking about? In short answer, summary of activities recommended by the tour guide. And next, follow-up activity group discussion, 20 minutes. Students are divided into small groups and discussion some guide in that scan QR code sound. First one, like when I have friend and I tell him or give a question like what makes Likupang unique in your opinion? What have Likupang unique in your opinion? And two, compare Likupang with other tourist destination like Bali, Raja Ampat. And third, if you were a tour guide, what will you do promote? What you gonna do introduce some place? So the last activity, you can cross in the activity in 10 minutes right now. The teacher summarizes the lesson and provides feedback, like a homework. You tell your student, write a short paragraph in 100 words, recommending a tourist destination that will be interesting for a foreign tourist. So the teacher summarizes the lesson and provides feedback, or you can make a homework. You tell your student, make some homework, write a short paragraph in 100 words, recommending a tourist destination that will be interesting for foreign tourists. So if you have question, what's media and tools? First one, audio dialogue. You can take an audio in a YouTube or a website, MP3, and you can give some dialogue in there. Make sure you can use QR code or anything, or sound in MP3. Yes, we can. Make sure you use QR code generate from the audio link in website, and give some listening worksheet. You gave his some to write about listening, or in a sound of QR code. And then student mobile phones with internet access. So why cannot to QR code? Because he's not in internet access. So last is student mobile phones with the internet access. So if you not to found sound for QR code, this is what I say to you. You can search www.qrcodegenerator.com and pass your audio link, and he gonna make some Google Drive, YouTube, Vocaro, or SoundCloud, and you can download it. So that material development by me in listening. So I hope you guys can be enjoying and can be listening what I say. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.